Na-try niyo na ba yung 3 new Chicken McNuggets dips ng McDonald's? As curious foodies, syempre na-try na namin. May classic ranch, fiery garlic aioli, and sweet chili plum. 20-piece McNuggets na in-order namin para sure. First, yung classic ranch sauce. Creamy naman siya but light ang flavor. May slight tanginess na you'll usually get from a ranch dip. Sakto lang yung lasa, di nakakaumay, pero we wish na sana medyo mas matapang pa yung flavor. Next is yung sweet chili plum sauce. Medyo mas malamnaw siya na sauce kaya natapon tuloy pagbukas ko. Sa itsura pa lang, I expect na it will taste like your regular sweet chili sauce. And tama nga, nothing new or surprising. Not something we'll order again. Lastly, yung fiery garlic aioli dip. Masarap yung anghang niya na nanunuot sa lalamunan. Siya yung pinaka-flavorful out of the three sauces. May garlicky flavor naman but na-overpower lang nung anghang. But okay pa rin naman. Ito yung naubos namin agad. Now ranking them by taste and overall pairing with the chicken McNuggets. Last place yung sweet chili plum. Second, yung classic ranch dip. And syempre sa first is the fiery garlic aioli dip. Pero pinaka-favorite namin yung combo ng classic ranch and fiery garlic aioli dips. Na-try rin namin yung sauces with the fries. Bagay rin, lalo na pag bagong luto. Kayo, anong favorite nyo out of the 3 new Chicken McNugget sauces? Tell us in the comments.